Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your father asking permission for your educational tour to Darjeeling. Hostel's name, address, date. Dear Papa, hope you are well. I am also fine. I am writing this letter to inform you about an exciting opportunity that our school has organized a 4-day excursion to Darjeeling for students of class 10. The trip will be from 10th December to 14th December and will be supervised by our teachers and school staffs. This excursion is not only for recreation but also for educational purposes. We will be visiting Botanical Garden, tea estates and the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. Many of my classmates are also participating and I am very eager to join them as it will be a great chance to learn and experience new things. The total cost of the trip is 5,000, which includes travel, food and accommodation. All arrangements for safety and comfort have been taken care of by the school. I assure you that I will act responsibly, follow all the rules and keep in touch. Kindly grant me your permission to join this excursion. I am eagerly waiting for your positive response. Your loving son, own name, father's address, date. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.